Assalamu Alaikum. When a Muslim is in a non-Muslim's house at the time of prayer, at the time of salah, can he or she do his prayer in their house? Or what is the right way to do it? And can a Muslim take prasad from the temples?
So there are two questions. Number one is, can a Muslim pray in the house of a non-Muslim? As long as there's nothing which is wrong in the house, as long as there's no idol in the front, as long as the place you're praying is a clean place, you can pray any part of the world. Our beloved Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said, it's mentioned in Sahih Bukhari, number 1 in the book of Salah, that the whole world is a mosque for the believers. So as long as the place is clean and doesn't break any rules of the Sharia, there's no idol in front, you can very well pray. Regarding taking prasad. Prasad is a food which is given by the Hindus in the name of deities and gods. Allah says in the Quran in no less than 4 different places. In Surah Baqarah chapter number 2 verse number 173. In Surah Ma'idah chapter number 5 verse number 3. In Surah Anam chapter number 6 verse number 145. And in Surah Nahl chapter number 16 verse number 115. Hurrimat alaykumul maytutu waddamu wa lahmul khanzir wa ma uhilla li ghayrillah bi. Forbidden for you for food are dead meat, blood, the flesh of swine, and any food on which any name besides Allah's name is taken. So eating prasad is haram. It's not permitted in Islam. But we know many Muslims, we don't want to offend. We don't want to offend our non-Muslims. So what they do, some of the Muslims, they say Bismillah and have it. So tomorrow you'll say Bismillah and have alcohol. After that you say Bismillah and have pork. Eating any food on which any name besides Allah's name is taken is prohibited in Islam. How to deal with them? You can refer to my video cassette, Dawa or Distraction, which shows you a way how to convince the non-Muslim regarding the concept of prasad and how to convince them through their scriptures about the true concept. Hope that answers the question.